Today we're gonna adjust the chain on this Rusi Surf 1 to 5. Let's get the tools for the job. To 10 millimeters wrench, to 14 and 17 millimeters wrench. Using a 14 and 17 millimeters wrench, loosen the axle nut. Loosen the adjuster lock nut using a 10 millimeters wrench. Same on the other side. Observe where the marking on the adjuster. We are going to pull the chain back to tension it. Turn it clockwise to pull the chain back to tension. Align the marking on the left side to the right side. Check the tension. On this video, I put too much tension, so loosened it. Recheck the tension. A good adjustment makes the wheel spin freely and makes no rough noises. Tighten the lock nut on both sides. Tighten the axle nut as tight as you can. Good job! The chain is now in proper tension.
Vroom vroom.